Welcome back to Web Market Support, to the Knowledge Economy Success Blueprint. This is the main page, the Knowledge Economy Hub. So on this page you will find everything that you need to know about the knowledge economy. There is theory and there are workshops, events and so much more. We have a live challenge coming up, and yesterday I hosted workshop number 4, the impact of USP, unique selling proposition, on the success of information products. That's the blog page for workshop number 4. It's a multiple choice problem, and today we have the solution. And the solution can be found only inside the members area. You just need to sign up with your email address, and in the first email that you receive, you'll get the password for the members area. Alternatively, you can visit the members page. This button, login button, is for administrators, authors, contributors, editors. Don't worry about that. You need to go to the Business Growth Hub and just sign up with your email. When you click register on this page, you'll get redirected to the thank you page. That's the button for the members area, and the password will be emailed to you. So sign up with your email, become a free member, and get access to the exclusive workshops that I'm hosting. And there I'll be hosting also the solutions to the multiple choice problems regarding the knowledge economy. And as a member of Web Market Support, beyond the exclusive content that I host in the members area, the ebooks, the infobooks, the quizzes, challenges, the exclusive workshops, and the solutions to the multiple choice problems, you can also book a one-on-one consulting session with me. You have 1 hour per month, so take advantage of it to discuss your existing business. If you have problems, to discuss any aspect of your existing business, or if you have plans to build a business, I'm here to help you out from the start using the 7 ideals methodology.